In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 45-degree angle in Tinkercad. Now to do this, it's actually super simple. You want to pick the shape which you want to basically turn into a 45-degree angle. This is going to work with any shape. So I'm going to click on this box, for example. I'm going to place it over here. And to make it a 45-degree angle, all you have to do is just rotate it. So you want to select this rotation, either this one, or this one, depending in which perspective or of course in which way you want to rotate it to a 45 degree. So I'm going to use this one for now, and I'm going to just click. And as you can see, if you go with your mouse over here to this circle, it's not going to allow you to be very precise. However, if you go in the inside over here, it's going to allow you to basically, when you're clicking and dragging, and of course holding your mouse button, to go to a 45-degree angle. Now, the best way you could actually do this is to use the shift key. So if you hold down your shift key on your keyboard, as you can see, you can only go by 45-degree angles, okay? So it's going to allow you to go by 45 and then just release your mouse button, and there we go. It's at a 45-degree angle. You can do the same thing for pretty much anything, for any object. So if I click on that and if I hold down my shift key and then rotate, as you can see, it's super easy to get 45-degree angles like that as well. So the shift key is going to be your best friend while trying to make 45-degree angles, no matter which angle inside the Tinkercad it's going to be, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.